everybody, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, and this is episode 98 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something very quick. This is going from the last video and the previous video to that. Let me flip the camera around. Here's my son. You want to say hi?
Hi. I'll plant these flowers over here.
He's planted flowers over there. He's going to show you guys. And Lulu's gonna dig it up. He's planting flowers for his mommy. Anyways, so I'm going to be pruning out this scaffolding branch. You'll watch the previous video if you want to watch it, excuse me. I'll link it up right now in the video. But before I just cut the base of that tree down right there, what I do is I cut here. Then right over here. I cut this out first, then this, and then the scaffolding. Instead of one cut there and having to deal with hurting myself or somebody else holding the branch for me. And also, you don't have to worry about it here because I don't have to worry about it here because I'm gonna prune everything out. But when I get to the base of it, I'm gonna be cutting a little bit of the lower half here and then cutting the top because I don't want the weight of the branch to pull down and pull off the bark and strip the bark off the tree. So, anyways, goodbye scaffolding branch. Happy gardening, everybody. Want to say bye, Sean? Want to say bye?